she is saying numbers 9 in backwards.
My name is Mustika. I am studying in third standard.
Mrs. Vaidya, she is telling an English story.
My name is Krishna Savitya. I am studying in third standard. My name is Sarah. I am studying in third standard. Good morning, everybody. My name is Abhulash. I am studying in third standard. I am going to say Indian state and the capital. My name is Astin. I am studying third standard. Kalvi Adikaram. My name is Kirti. I am studying third standard. Tirukural. My name is Sriram. I am studying third standard. I tell the one story.
My class students come to add according to the story. Shall we start?
My name is Mustika. I am studying third standard.